Hey everybody, this is Caesar with SEV. Today is a rainy day, so we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can make a quick oil change video and try to make it under 3 minutes, I guess, for the 2020 Honda CBR650R. So let's go ahead and get to the meat. So the first thing is you're going to want to find a quality 10W30 oil for the bike. And then a filter. I chose a K&N because it has a 17mm nut to tighten on the top if I need to or loosen. And then a tool to take off the old filter. An oil pan to drain into, a 12mm for the drain plug, and a torque wrench that you might want to use. Or a regular wrench if you don't have a torque, some rags to clean up, and rubber gloves to keep your hands clean if you want to. Go ahead and start the bike and let it warm for 3 minutes. After it warms up, I'm going to do this oil change on the kickstand since I think that's what most people will do. Look at the bottom of the bike and locate the drain plug. It will be on the left side of the bike. Position the drain pan below the bike. Get your 12mm socket and put it underneath the bike and loosen that bolt. Loosen it. Don't take it all the way off. Place the pan directly underneath there and then finish unloosening it so that the oil will come out into the oil pan. Make sure that you keep the nut and the washer handy and not lost. Oil looks gross. If you'll notice, the filter is just north of the drain plug and very easy to access. Go ahead and loosen it with your tool and then hand loosen it till it's almost all the way off. You're going to want to loosen it slowly because whenever the oil comes out, it's going to dump everywhere. Be sure to tilt the filter facing down to get any oil that's inside of there. Here's the tool that I used, which is a clamp to be able to take the old filter off since it didn't have a nut built in. Let it drain for however long you want. I usually wait about an hour. Get the 12mm socket on the torque wrench set to 19 foot-pounds if you're going to torque it down. Hand tighten the bolt down onto the bike with the washer and then tighten it down to 19 foot-pounds. Once you're done, get the new filter, lube up the rubber seal so that it doesn't tear whenever you put it down, and then hand tighten it back onto the bike. Use the 17mm socket and tighten it hand tight on there. Don't torque it down like crazy. And then go ahead and fill 2 of the 3 quarts that you purchased for your bike. We will measure on the 3rd. Go ahead and take the cap off of the bike, put the funnel on, and dump the first 2 quarts inside of the bike without even measuring. For liters, measure out the 0.6 that you're going to need to put in there and put to fill in the bike up to 0.6. From there, you're going to close the cap. You want to go ahead and start the bike for a couple of minutes to warm it up, and then open the cap and put more oil as necessary. Be sure to write the date on the bottle so you know the last time you did an oil change. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks.